A politician and lawyer we've exposed in months of investigations right here on Fox 2 has just lost his Missouri law license.
The reason? Well, it involves what was first uncovered by Fox Files investigator Chris Hayes.
Mr. Purcell, Andrew Purcell has avoided us for months, starting with when we first reported in April 2022 that he was representing Bridgeton as a politician while living 140 miles away in Carterville, Illinois. What's your response to living in Illinois and getting paid as a Bridgeton alder?
I have no comment at this time.
Purcell was forced to comment, however, to the St. Louis County prosecutor who charged him with a crime. He was then sentenced this past June to stealing without consent, a misdemeanor, which led to the Missouri Supreme Court's action, in which he is now disbarred. Purcell did not answer his cell phone or respond to the voicemail I left. But in his court fight to keep his Missouri law license, Purcell's attorney argued that Purcell attended 74% of all council meetings during his 4 years with Bridgeton, and that his plea deal was for a misdemeanor that his attorney argued was not, quote, serious criminal conduct, a necessary element which involves misrepresentation or fraud. At issue in the criminal case was about $6,000 in pay Purcell received as a Bridgeton councilman after he'd moved to Illinois. He still had no comment when we asked him after a June 2022 court hearing. You posted on Facebook in April that you were going to repay taxpayers. Have you followed through?
No comment at this time.
He did provide a $6,000 cashier's check to the court at his guilty plea this past June, but the Missouri bar determined that plea should also cost Purcell's law license, though his most recent law history is in Illinois, where he was hired as a Williamson County, Illinois prosecutor working from February 2021 to April 2022, then was hired as a Union County, Illinois prosecutor, where he worked for just 3 days before resigning the very day we first confronted him in April 2022. Purcell may also lose his Illinois law license, where Attorney Disciplinary Commission records indicate he's, quote, inactive and not authorized to practice law, as the commission considers a more permanent action. For the Fox Files, I'm Chris Hayes.